Hey everyone, want to learn English? That's awesome. English is like a magic key. It opens doors to so many opportunities. You can travel the world, make new friends, and even get your dream job. Let me tell you a little secret. I wasn't always fluent in English. Yep, even celebrities like me started somewhere.
I remember one time I was traveling in France and tried to order a croissant. I thought I knew the word, but I accidentally asked for a croissant dog. The baker looked at me like I was crazy. We both laughed and I finally got my delicious pastry. The point is, it's okay to make mistakes. We all do it. The important thing is to keep practicing and have fun with it.
Ready for some easy English tips? Here are a few of my favorites. Start with the basics. Learn common words and phrases like hello, thank you, and how are you. You can find these in phrase books or online. Watch movies and TV shows in English. This is a fun way to learn new words and improve your listening skills. Don't worry about understanding everything. Just focus on the main idea. Listen to English music. Music is a great way to learn new vocabulary and improve your pronunciation. Plus, it's fun to sing along. Talk to native speakers. This is the best way to improve your fluency. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Native speakers are usually very patient and understanding. Use language learning apps. There are tons of great apps out there that can help you learn English fast and easy.
Real-life English, from the classroom to the coffee shop. Learning English isn't just about memorizing grammar rules and vocabulary lists. It's about using the language in real-life situations. Imagine yourself ordering a coffee in English, or asking for directions to the nearest museum. These are all opportunities to practice your skills and build your confidence. The more you use English in your daily life, the more natural it will become.
Don't be shy. Practice makes perfect. Here's the thing about learning a new language. You have to be brave. Don't be afraid to speak English, even if you're not perfect. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Find a language partner, join a conversation group, or even just start talking to yourself in the mirror. Remember, every little bit of practice helps.
You're an English star on the rise. Learning English is a journey, and like any journey, it has its ups and downs. But don't give up. With hard work, dedication, and a little bit of humor, you can achieve your language goals. So go out there, embrace the challenge, and become the amazing English speaker you were born to be.